Hey, brother, yes you. Listen up. Without wasting any time, let me show you the exact routine that every high-value man is following, and that you too must follow. Reaching the top 1% is within anyone's reach, but it requires a well-designed scientific daily routine. The human body, like any machine, needs regular maintenance and care to operate at its peak. Unfortunately, many individuals hinder their success by neglecting their bodies and minds with bad habits. Understanding the importance of a daily routine is crucial for achieving exceptional results. But, firstly, I want to congratulate you for watching this video, because you're on the way in becoming a high-value man, and overall, improving yourself in all areas of life. Sit back, relax, open up your ears and listen carefully to this video, and watch until the end. I will show you 6 effective scientific daily routine that every man should do for maximum success. In this video, we'll explore a powerful scientific routine that will transform your mind, body, and spirit, enabling you to crush your goals. However, be prepared. This routine demands commitment and an all-or-nothing mindset. Let's dive into the number 1 of the 6 scientific daily routine that every single man should do. Step 1. Rise and attack the day. Waking up early sets the tone for success. It instills a sense of control, purpose, and a positive attitude. Early risers tend to be more proactive, productive, and make better decisions throughout the day. While not everyone needs to wake up at the crack of dawn, abandoning the habit of lingering in bed is essential to avoid wasting potential. Step 2. Harness the power of hunger. Embracing hunger as a superpower can fuel your goals. Rather than filling your belly before accomplishing anything, consider fasting until you deserve to eat. This empowers you to channel your hunger towards important tasks before breaking your fast. You'll be amazed at the productivity and efficiency unlocked when your body isn't occupied with digestion. Step 3. Keep your blood flowing. Maintaining proper blood circulation is vital for optimal brain function. Engage in physical activities such as martial arts, biking, brisk walks, or simple exercises like squats and push-ups. Regular movement ensures continuous blood and oxygen flow throughout the body, supporting organ function, faster healing, sharp cognition, and a healthy heart. Step 4. Nourish mind and body. Feed your mind by practicing activities like reading, meditation, and visualization techniques that focus on your goals and intentions for the day. Fuel your body with nutritious meals, prioritizing protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Remember, mental and physical well-being are interconnected, and good nutrition complements physical training for peak performance. Step 5. Plan and prioritize. As the day draws to a close, identify the most important tasks for the next day and schedule them before bedtime. This ensures waking up with a clear objective, eliminating time wasted on decision-making. Focus on 2 non-negotiable tasks, alongside other less important ones. Overwhelming to-do lists often lead to inaction, hindering productivity. Step 6. Prioritize quality sleep. Instead of fixating on wake-up times, prioritize going to bed earlier for optimal sleep quality. Establish a pre-sleep routine that includes turning off screens 1 hour before bed. Use this time to write down tasks for the next day, clearing your mind of distractions. Similarly, maintain an electronic-free first hour after waking to capitalize on sharp morning thinking, strategizing, and planning. By following this scientific daily routine, you can unlock your potential for peak performance. Remember, it's a holistic approach that integrates discipline, nutrition, physical activity, and quality sleep. Commitment is key, and small steps taken consistently will yield remarkable results. So, take action. That's all for today on 1% Men. But wait, if you want to improve your life, don't forget to join our 1% community by clicking the like and subscribe button. And watch this video here and embark on your journey to leveling up in life. See you in the next video.